The automotive industry has evolved over many years and will continue to do so. The paper service book just hasn't followed the same trend. When we started in 2015, it was a very big problem that the paper service book and service history had not been digitized. This limited the workshop's knowledge of the car and made it difficult to map the history. For car owners, this also meant great uncertainty regarding the factory warranty. Today, the problem is more that there are so many different digital platforms with different requirements, accessibility, and levels of readability. Digital Servicebook makes service history available to everyone, car owners and workshops alike. Digital Servicebook is at the forefront of ensuring higher industry standards and full transparency. The platform creates full transparency about service history, vehicle data, and the right to service and maintain factory warranty for all car brands. All car owners are entitled to their own data and must be free to choose how their data is used. Therefore, this is now available in one place for workshops and car owners, so no one is in doubt about the car's history or real value. The platform is an ecosystem that connects OE systems and the independent workshops. With our software platform, workshops can save time on service registration with integrations to garage management systems, regardless of car brand, gain better insights and accelerate diagnostics based on the vehicle's service history, access to OE data and campaign searches. Workshops can also notify car owners when it's time for the next service so they can maintain an efficient communication and good relationship with their customers. Digital Servicebook is also the link between the car owner and the workshop. The platform ensures that car owners have better documentation and easy access to a full service history, which follows the car throughout its lifetime and can document, service and maintain the car's warranty. The platform creates security in relation to the real value of the car when it comes to buying and selling, and at the same time prevents odometer fraud. Like the rest of the automotive industry, we're constantly updating our platform and adding new features. Digital Servicebook is a valuable technological innovation in the automotive industry that helps ensure higher standards and increased transparency, benefiting both car owners and workshops. Digital Servicebook.